Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about hoisting in JavaScript. We are going to know what is it, but also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified about new content. Let's dive right in. Alright guys, so what is hoisting? Hoisting, it is a JavaScript behavior or mechanism that allows to put functions and variables at the top of their scope. Let's say here we have a function, say hello. It's console hello, and then we can call our function before its declaration here like this. We are getting here hello, it doesn't throw an error. Suppose you are in Python, it is going to throw an error. That's what we call hoisting. It means when we are declaring this function here and we call it before its declaration, JavaScript interpreter, it is going to hoist it. It is going to put it at the top of the scope like this. It's under the hood. It looks like this. This is how it looks under the hood. It means when we declare a function and we call it before its declaration, JavaScript, it is going to hoist it. Functions and variables are automatically hoisted in JavaScript. Let's take an example of var. Here, let's say var customer equal John here, and then let's say console.log customer here. You can see we're getting here hello, here we're getting undefined, we're getting undefined here. It doesn't throw an error. It means they are hoisted customer. But if we assign it a value, JavaScript interpreter, it ain't gonna accept it. It is going to give it undefined. Let's say again, let's come over here and say John. See what we're going to get in the console. We're getting undefined. But if we just come over here and change the var to let, it is going to throw an error here. Var and cons are not hoisted in JavaScript, and let are not hoisted. And that's pretty much it guys for this video. I hope you enjoy, but also I have a playlist where I talked about modern JavaScript. You can go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.